We are a third-generation family business entirely focused on advanced manufacturing. We specialize in plastic injection molding, and we make sure that every day we are the strongest link in your supply chain. To facilitate our injection molding operations and further enhance our customers' experience, we commit ourselves to continually integrating the newest molding technologies and industry techniques. State-of-the-art is our motto. From implementing sustainability initiatives to automating our molding facility, these changes to our company allow us to offer our customers more personalized and innovative turnkey solutions.
The mantra is the turnkey solution: we design, we build, we run. This level of control and quality enables us to stand behind anything we build for the customer as long as we're running the mold, a complete warranty for all repairs and all maintenance. There's never any other kinds of upcharges.
Up till 1989, we were primarily an injection molder of caps and plugs and a custom molder. It was kind of a combination. In 1989, I designed Connex, and that frankly changed the world for us. So we went from about 70,000 feet and perhaps 70 presses to where we are now. We now occupy approximately 250,000 square feet and have 119 presses in sizes from 40 tons up to 750 tons. And went on to our newest venture, which is something called Sill Dry. What it is a sill pan. When a building settles, the tendency is for the windows to crack in the corners. So we've designed sections that expand like an accordion, that are the ends with center sections that can build whatever size that we need.
Sustainability is important to Rodon because it's one of our core values, is that we want to leave the world a little better than we found it. It comes through in the integrity of the products we make, and it comes through in the way we go at the manufacturing process itself. We know that resources are important to all of us, and we only get to live on one planet all the time. And we want to make sure that we protect our little part of the world.
At Rodon, we will take our core competency, which is high volume, precision parts at the best possible price, into any industry that has that requirement. Today, we're in med pharma, we're in construction, medical, window and door hardware, just to name a few, but very diverse.
All of those things require a lot of technical expertise that you don't see. All you see are great precision-made parts showing up where you want them every time you need them. With over 6 decades of experience in the plastic injection molding industry and a state-of-the-art automated molding facility, the Rodon Group has the skills, knowledge, and tools to offer cost-effective and high-quality injection molding solutions. In everything we do, it is our family motto to strive for quality, efficiency, and sustainability. As you think about building your supply chain, you want an expert at every link. And here at the Rodon Group, we're focused on innovation, efficiency, and thinking about the future and your needs. So we encourage you to check out our website, reach out to us for a quote, and become part of the Rodon family.